on this boat for about 30, maybe 35 minutes. I got a couple of safety concerns, nothing major. If you could, try to keep your hands inside the boat. Obviously, no standing, no smoking. If you want to, the Briscoe is dedicated to the Alamo, with artifacts and recreation. In front of the boat is an 8-sided high rise, and we'll talk more about tower life in just a moment. There it is. And we're going under the Crescent Bridge. The Crescent Bridge is dangerously low. Please remain seated with the boat. Is the Bexar County Courthouse, completed in 1898. Our courthouse is still in use. This was the San Antonio Public Library. It's now offices and restaurants. On my right is also the old marina, so this is where we park the boats at the end of the night. Behind the boat's tower light. And again, during times of heavy rain, like last night around 10 o'clock, the gate behind the boat was lowered. Once we lower that floodgate, all that rainwater rushes. On my left are the love locks, just like over the River Seine in Paris. Now lately, people get married, they lock the lock, and throw the key in the river as a symbol of everlasting love. The tree was pushed to the wall during the flood. If you look very closely, the trunk is inside the building. But again, that's an urban legend. We're pretty sure that's impossible. But if you ever were to go inside, you would see the rest of the tree. That's a big tree. It bears fruit, bears figs. It is the longest bar in Texas, and it was a speakeasy during Prohibition. So and in front of the boat is the Selena Bridge. Now, in the movie Selena, she gets engaged on the bridge. Now, after this film was released, we started seeing more and more people getting engaged on what we now call the Selena Bridge. So this is in Pasadena. We also have a low bar hotel. This was the old Elk Ring saddle company. They used to make saddles here, and now they make tacos. 100 years ago, this was the largest employer in the city. And we're going under Navarro Street, seeing the same streets again and again. My right hand side. Remember Mike Kinsey fondly. These are the social happenings in the city that make our in San Antonio on June 13th, 1691. Section 99% of the river's natural. The river is 242 miles long. The San Antonio River eventually